Alright, this is BJ from the 478. I appreciate you tuning into my channel. And today I want to talk to you about my brand new 26-inch KG1 forged wheels, and they are going on my 22 Ram TRX. So let's dig on into it. These wheels with this polished finish looks better in person, but the sheer quality of this wheel on this one-piece design is magnificent. I mean, can you tell? I know the camera's not doing much justice, but the detail and the finish on these polished wheels just reflect the light so good. And it's really not real bright in here, but it gives you the retro look, and I'm digging it. So, KG1 Forge is, their claim to fame is that you're looking at a week to maybe 3 weeks turnaround for a one-piece wheel. So they'll have a warehouse full of these wheels for sale. And a lot of times certain designs aren't drilled. So once you order your wheels and they don't have the design you're looking for, they'll just take a set and then they'll actually just drill your bolt pattern in there, rebox them back up, send them out, and man, the wait time for a custom built wheel is null and void. So the good thing about this style wheel, this 26 by 12, is that it's the same bolt pattern. It's a 6 by 139.7, and it's basically the same as the Chevrolet. So by it being that, they have a lot more versatility on these wheels, and you know, you don't have to sit there and wait a gazillion years to actually get your order. So once I got them in, I noticed, okay, I got 2 lefts and I got 2 rights, and they are a true directional wheel, which I love. All the wheels go in the same direction. So once you put them on one side of the truck, they all go in one direction, and you put them on the other side, they're going in the same direction. And they look freaking awesome. You know, have you ever walked around on the other side of a vehicle and you was like, okay, that twist is going that way, and that's, you know, it looks kind of crazy, but you can't see both sides of the car at the same time. But a rim fanatic, someone like me, and deal with wheels on a day-to-day basis, notice certain things. So attention to detail is my main thing. And one good thing about it is I went ahead and I have the 20-inch collars ordered from KG1 to go on my motorcycle trailer, so I can, you know, pull to the shows, I can pull my motorcycles and all that good stuff, and I'll run an MT tire on that as well. But the tire I'm running on here is a 35-inch tire by 13 by 50 R26. So it's gonna be a pretty nifty tire, and I don't know if you guys did the research. I know I did on the Fury tire. The Fury tire is probably one of the better tires out there on the market. I know it's a mud tire, it's an MT, and I'm going from an AT tire, and I'll do a comparison. I'll jump in the truck with a GoPro later on in one of my videos, and I'll do a sound check and all that good stuff, and then you can see, and maybe I can do a review on that tire as well, and just, you know, solely go from there, because I chose that tire because the reviews were good. So good reviews actually make me, you know, do my homework and then just check out, and then if I like it, I'll throw it back up, and you know what I'm saying, and I'll give it a good review because I'm dealing with that on a day-to-day basis. So if you're not a subscriber to my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification button, so that way once I get my tires in, I can go ahead and mount them up and get them bolted on, and then I can do another video and you'll be the first one to check it out. I'm BJ from the 478. I appreciate you tuning in to my channel. Stay tuned, I got a lot more stuff coming. All my subscribers get 10% off, and you have a great day.